welcome back to my channel. Now in this week's video we are doing a wardrobe essentials. I have a bunch of clothes behind me just to share with you guys a few clothing items which I feel like are should be in every girl's wardrobe, especially the Muslim hijabi girl. Yeah, so I'm gonna be sharing with you a few of the clothing items which I feel like are a need in everyone's wardrobe, especially when it comes to hijabi girls like us. So let me just get started. So the first thing I'm gonna start out with is a coat. I feel like a nice heavy winter coat is very essential because one, for the cold, you need a stylish coat when it gets cold, and when you need to, because you can wear it 1,000,000 times, you can wear it in so many different ways and it'll still look just as great. Now the one I have was thrifted as well. It's from MMCC Studios and it's a very big black like woolen dad-ish coat, but it looks so beautiful. I really like the way it is long, oversized, and just does the damn thing. Now sometimes this can be too hot, which I can't, trust me, I know. So I feel like if you're not into the heavy ones, or if you feel like wearing this can be a lot of clothes and everything, I would suggest to go over with like a lighter version, which is more fun and more easier to wear. Another one I have, nude one that I tailored, and it's more of like a trench style coat, and it's a cotton fabric. The fabric is very light, very light. It's in this like very perfect nude color, and it has a nude, just like the same shade but a bit lighter, so you can have like that contrasting vibes. And I feel like this is great to throw on over your bodycon dresses, over your jeans, over your skirts, over everything. Trench coats are a must-have. So next we are just gonna go with the trend, and we are going to talk about blazers. Now I have been a fan of blazers for the longest time ever, and I feel like they should be an essential item in your wardrobe, especially if you work or go to school. It's good to have one of those official pieces, one of those days when you have like presentation or a meeting or whatever. I don't know, I just feel like having a blazer can be so cool because you can, you know, dress it up in so many different styles. Now the ones I own are two different styles completely. My current favorite one, actually I don't have that many blazers. My favorite one is this one from Mango, and it's a very oversized like houndstooth checked type of situation going on, and it looks gray. It has like a brownish yellowish line. So I feel like this is also a neutral color because you can go with everything and anything you're wearing, so it's a very neutral shade. And I like the fact that it is like double-breasted, so you can wear it in so many different ways, and it can be styled up, it can be styled down, it can be styled for like nighttime, daytime, sporty, like elegant, official. So that's what I like about blazer, and they're very easy to throw on. They give such a chic, like polished vibe without trying so hard. Now I know the checked vibe sometimes can be too grandad for some of you, so I would suggest like a plain blazer. Now this one doesn't have pockets, and it's in this beautiful like light pink shade, which I absolutely love. I feel like light pink, this like blush pink shade, just like complements my skin tones very well. So I do own a bunch of clothes in this color. So I thrifted this blazer from Toy Market actually, and what I really like about it is the very oversizedness, like the oversizedness. What I really like about it is the oversized feel that it gives me. It's very oversized. I look like someone's grandma when I wear this, but I love it. Like, it's very boyish, it's very unique, and that's what I like about this. I also like the lapels, like this part that folds. Are they called lapels? I think they are. They're not like the usual like boxy like regular ones. This one is more of like tapered in, and it's very long. It goes all the way to the bottom, and it only has like one button to secure. I really like this blazer. It's very fun, very easy to style, and like I said, the color is just so beautiful, and I feel like it's such a, like a blazer in general is such a staple. Next we are going to talk about sweaters. As you guys know, I'm a fan of sweaters, be it chunky, be it cropped, be it whatever it is. I feel like that is such an essential piece of item anyone should have in their wardrobe, because they're very easy to throw on, and they look you just look like a fashion girl. The one I'll be talking about is this black one. I don't know if you guys can tell very well, but I'm sure you've seen it a lot on my channel. This is a high neck knit sweater from Forever 21, and it's very long. That's what I like about it. I love the sweater so much. I got it in 3 different shades. That's how crazy I am about my knit sweaters. But it just has like a really high neck, so that means I'm able to wear turbans in it. You know what I mean? I can wear turbans in it. I don't feel cold, and I just like the look of the high neck. It just looks very stylish. I don't know what it is about like a high neck. I have this black one. Now sometimes you want to go, you know, a little crazy with your sweaters and a little fun and everything. I have this mustard yellow one that I thrifted a few years ago, which I didn't know. When I was thrifting this, I had no idea about the use of like the power this knit sweater would have right now, and everyone asked me about it. Just saw it one day on the streets and I was like, you know what, that looks fun, I'm gonna get it. But yeah, so I've had this in my wardrobe for like a couple of years now, and I absolutely love it. This one is more like a crew neck, which I love. It's still kind of high, more like a pull neck-ish type of vibe, which gives me enough coverage. If I want to wear a turban, I can still do that with this. So this is beautiful. I really like the, is this chevron? Like the knit in all my knit sweaters are different, and that's what I love about all of them. They're all very unique. The next one I also thrifted, and it's my infamous neon orange one, which everyone and their mom asks me about this sweater. I thrifted it from Toy Market for like 400 bob a while back. I actually took my friend to go shop, and then we spotted it. I didn't even have the money with me then, because like I said, I was just taking someone. I didn't have any intentions of buying. That's the history with my lovely sweater. So I did thrift this. The reason why I like this, like I said, neon is in right now, so I really did want to own something neon. It came in a perfect sweater. Now this sweater is very lovely. I like the style of the sleeves. It's not so long because I can tuck it into things. That's what I like about this one. My others, you can't really tuck them into things because they are quite long, so they will look bulky, but this you can completely tuck it in and it will look seamless. Crew neckline with the same like rib detail. A sweater is very essential because, well, like I said, they're very stylish, very comfortable, especially now that we're sort of like in the cold season. I have no idea why I'm panting. Yeah, so A1. Sweaters are A1. The items I feel like everyone should have in their wardrobe I'm going to talk about is jackets. To be specific, denim jackets. I am a huge fan of denim jackets. Denim jackets have been in my wardrobe for the longest time ever, and I feel like they are one of the easiest pieces to style, especially when you have nothing to wear on top. You just throw it on and it just like completely changes the vibe. It gives you like this badass grunge type of vibe, which I am obsessed with. So we're gonna start with my favorite one, and it is my beloved black denim jacket. Now I'm not gonna talk about the blue denim jacket that everyone owns. I feel like I do own a few blue ones, but I don't wear them as much, and they're not like and they are not as oversized as I would like them to be. But this one is my favorite jacket ever. Is this I can't even tell what brand it is. It is Bonjour Denim Service. Anyway, it's a gray black denim jacket. I'll just say gray with black. It's like a gray wash or like a black wash. Does that make sense? Denim jacket, which is so beautiful. Like, this denim jacket is so beautiful. It sits on my shoulders really nice. It's just like nicely oversized, and it just transforms every outfit I wear. Every time I wear this jacket, I feel like a badass. The reason I like it is because, like I said, it's gray, but then it has like the black. It has like the black detail, which looks like an acid wash sort of, which I'm not sure right now. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. Is this an acid wash? I don't think so. Well, most probably kind of looks like one. Thrift this as well like years ago. And something I really love about denim jackets is you can have fun with them. You don't really have to be like the basic be and wear the blue black denim jacket. So I'm going to share with you guys a few more that I have that I really enjoy. And this is a purple one that I thrifted as well from Gikomba, and this was like I think 200 or 150. I really can't remember, but it is stunning. It's so beautiful. It's like a very lilac. I don't know if you guys know, but color is in. I'm trying to incorporate a lot more color into my wardrobe, so I did buy this little body right here, and the fact that it's cropped adds so much like baddiness into the whole vibe. That's what I love about this. So it just gives it like a fun, and it does have like a little bit of distressing, which I like as well. Like, that's gold right there. And the next one is not really a denim jacket. It is a corduroy. It's a corduroy fabric jacket. Now I know corduroy is beautiful, but once you hear corduroy you think, oh my god, that's like such a dad thing. And like I mentioned, I don't mind looking like a dad. I think I've made that very evident. But it's this very stunning like pastel pink, again with this color, like pretty. And I like the fact that it has like these grunge like band watcheries and stuff. It's just like some band, I don't know if it's band much, and if I get tired of them I can always like unstitch them because they've just been like roughly like stitched on here. But I really like the contrasting, like the black and white patches that it has. But it's a very lovely like somewhat oversized jacket, and the color is lovely. And like I said, it's corduroy. I don't think I have seen anything corduroy for the longest time ever, so this is perfect. And it's very stylish. It looks really good on it as well, so I love this jacket. This was also from Gikomba for like 200 bob. Now the next thing we're going to talk about is t-shirts. I don't know if you guys know this, but I am a fan of t-shirts. I feel like t-shirts are the easiest thing to style. The best thing about t-shirts is you don't really have to think about it, you know what I mean, because it's a t-shirt, so you can pair it with a skirt, with a jean, with whatever. So the one I'm going to share with you is a white t-shirt. I feel like white t-shirts should be an essential. Plain, printed, whatever. I like my t-shirts printed most of the time. I feel like, I don't know, that makes it just sound more stylish. But I like my t-shirts printed, and this is one that says Sail Away, Ocean City. I got this from Toy as well for like 50 bob or something. It is a fitting t-shirt. It's not oversized, which I don't mind because I usually tuck this one into jeans, into skirts, into anything I'm wearing that day. So I really like the fact that it has the contrasting print on it, which makes it more fun, I guess. Like I said, I like print. If you feel like you don't need white t-shirts, I feel like black, blue t-shirts would be fine. The one I'm wearing now it's the Justin Bieber March t-shirt. It's like in this really lovely like navy blue. It just says Purpose Tour merchandise. I really like this t-shirt, and the fact that it's oversized, people ask me where I got it as well, and to be honest, I just found it in Toy. It's not like I like merch clothes, to be honest, but it's like I'm not gonna pay like 5k for a piece of t-shirt, you know what I mean? Next item we're gonna talk about is probably my faves, is jeans. I love me some good pair of jeans. I'm probably not the same as everyone else because I like my jeans like original jean fabric. I don't like jeggings. I don't like skinny jeans. I don't like the stretched jeans. I feel like that's not very flattering on my body type, and I don't feel like it looks polished. It's very teenage vibes, and that's not the look I'm trying to go for. I'm trying to go for this mature, sophisticated, elegant fashion girl, you know what I mean? So two things that I look for in jeans is the quality of the jeans, the quality of the jeans, like true jean fabric, and it's not mixed with like spandex or like, you know, those stretchy fabrics. Yeah, not those. And the fit of the jeans, how it fits on my body. I like straight jeans, like a straight leg jean or a wide-legged jean. Those are my favorite type of styles. I feel like that complements me the most. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but I like to believe that. So one of my favorite jeans, which I think you guys have seen in a lookbook on Wanjiro's channel before, is one that I got from Zara, and it's this blue, it's like a very weird blue wash as well. I think that's the reason why I like it, because I've never seen a denim that's this blue. It's like a very weird blue, and it has like the contrasting stripe on the side that is very stunning. These pants are from Platform, but they are from Zara, and I usually wear the size 34, European 34, because it's my waist. And the next pair were actually from Gikomba, and they were 50 shillings. Like every time I just have to brag about me finding jeans for 50 bob in Gikomba. Like I just have to, because I feel like that is such a steal. The reason why I like these jeans is, one, they are wide-legged. Like it's so hard finding wide-legged things. Like I said, I'm a hijabi girl, and anything wide-legged for me is just takes the cake. Now these ones are apparently by the brand 11 Link, and it doesn't even say the sizing, but I did just like, apparently if you hold them across your shoulder then they fit. And the fact that they have like this distressed feel at the bottom just gives it a more it's so beautiful, and it just cuts off right at my ankle. Now the final thing I'm going to talk about, not the final thing, so the next thing I'm going to talk about is the little black dress. I know a black dress is a very, 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 very essential when it comes to your wardrobe. That is like the number one tip you should give to anyone. Like you don't own a black dress, but obviously I can't own a little black dress, so mine has to be the halal black dress. So I'm going to share with you a black dress that I own. This one was from Isli. They're everywhere. They literally go for like 1,000 bob. They're just like those airy cotton dresses, which I really love because they breathable, easy to wear, comfortable. I do have it like in this black print and with this nude and white like flowers all over it. It's very cute. I actually like the print of this dress, and it's like a bit A-line, very feminine, very cute. That's what I love about it. The final thing we're going to talk about is skirts. I am a huge fan of skirts. I think 90% of the time I am in skirts because I feel like they're very easy to wear and I feel like they look the best on me, and that's like my everyday wardrobe situation. So I'm going to share with you my 2 favorite skirts at the moment. My 2 favorite skirts. This is not a favorites video, this is an essential video. So I feel like everyone should own a plain black skirt. I personally like the pencil style because I feel like that looks the best on me, and I can dress it well with like my oversized tops because most of my like upper body clothing are very oversized. So I feel like I can't even wear an oversized skirt if there's a thing like an oversized skirt. But this one was, I don't even know where this skirt is from. I've had it for years, guys. I would suggest you guys invest like in a good cotton pencil skirt, not the ones that are too tight where you walk like a penguin, but one that's comfortable and looks good with everything. So another alternative that I have is this printed black. I don't know if you guys can see the print on that, but it's gorgeous. It's this black wrap skirt that is very beautiful, and it's just like a black. The fabric is elite. The fabric of this is elite, but basically it's a wrap black skirt that has like a rose print on it, and the print is like in satin fabric. It's just a basic black wrap skirt. I alternate with it with my pencil skirt now because they fit the same. They look, both of them look so stunning. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, or it was a little bit helpful in the type of items you need to have in your wardrobe, or at least a few items I feel like are staple essential items in your wardrobe. If you haven't subscribed already, please do, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.